Hello friends, welcome to Anshum's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a video on how to do the seasoning of pans. These are the new non-stick pans. I've done an unboxing video on the same pans, which is Cello Primer. Share the link in the description box. To start with the seasoning, first we're going to add a little bit of liquid gel, dishwash gel on the pan with a little bit of water, and we're going to use a soft sponge always, because we can't use the hard side. This side should never be used on a pan. It's going to spoil the surface. So we're going to lather this up and wash off all the chemicals and all the dirt from the pan nicely on both the sides. And we will wash this pan now under running water to wash off all this. Always ensure that you do a quick wash of the pans before we start the seasoning. And always to use a sponge cloth or a soft sponge. So quickly after washing this pan, I'm going to start the seasoning. I'm just going to wipe it dry with a soft cloth like this on both the sides. Just damp this on the other non-stick coating side, and then I'm going to wipe it off with a soft tissue so that I don't scratch the surface. Now I will never use a high gas flame. Always it has to be on medium or on slow. A non-stick pan should never be used on high flame. Keep the pan on this, keep it for around 2 minutes till it gets nice and warm. Once it's nice and warm, we can feel that it's getting warm. We're going to add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. This can be any oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, canola oil, any low smoke oil should be used. We're going to rub this now with a soft tissue again on this pan nicely, gently. I'm going to rub this all over the surface of the non-stick, and I'm going to leave the excess on this pan itself on slow flame for around another 2 minutes till the oil settles into the pan nicely. After around 2 minutes, switch off the flame, the heat, and then again the excess oil which is there. I'm going to take a soft tissue on this and quickly I'm going to rub this onto the non-stick surface in a gentle manner. So I'm priming. This is the seasoning of the pan. This is the priming seasoning of the non-stick coating. This will ensure that our coating is going to last for a long time and it's not going to give us a problem. Now I'll leave it to cool for around half an hour. Only then I'm going to drop it under running water. Never ever put a hot pan under running water, under cold running water, because it's going to rub the pan and then it's going to get spoiled. So the non-stick coating could get damaged if you put it directly under cold water. So again, I'm going to wash it nicely, lather this up. See, I'm using the soft sponge side, never the hard side. And just lather this up, clean and wash off the oil. And then again, I'm going to dry this off with a soft cloth and a damp tissue. And then I'm again going to repeat the seasoning process a couple of times before I finish off with the seasoning of this pan. The same seasoning process should be repeated thrice for the perfect effect. See, this is after seasoning it for the third time. I'm wiping it clean and this pan is ready. See how smooth it is. This is perfect. Now I'm going to repeat the same process with the entire set. This is the fry pan that I'm using. Again, I'm going to repeat the same process. This is the excess oil which is first put on this. Now I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes, the same thing that I had done for the earlier pan. Then prime the surface well after a couple of minutes while it's still warm. This is the seasoning, the priming of the non-stick pan, non-stick coating. Look, this is the first time. Again, I'm going to repeat a couple of times. This I'm going to do with the entire set. And once the entire set is seasoned, I'm going to wipe the entire set off for any dampness on this. Wipe it with a soft cloth, and I'm going to leave it this entire set then for air drying. Keep it to air dry for around 3 to 4 hours and then it's ready, and our pan is completely seasoned and we can store this in the cupboard or shelf. Now for some quick do's and don'ts. Always use a wooden spoon and a soft sponge. Never use metal spoons, never use a knife, sharp scrubbers or harsh detergent soaps. Always, this is a strict no. Always use a dishwash gel. Never use a high flame. Silicone brushes, definitely a good yes, you can go for this, and silicone spatulas. So ensure for longevity life of your pans, season them, follow the do's and don'ts, and I hope this video was informative to you. For more such videos, stay tuned to my channel for a whole lot of such videos and lots of recipes. Do like, subscribe and share. Bye for now.